miter gauges, drill presses, and router tables have used flip stops to increase the speed and accuracy of your work for decades. Now, Woodpeckers engineers have put the power of the flip stop somewhere it's never gone before: the table saw rip vents. If you have a SawStop contractor's, professional, or industrial table saw with the T-Glide rip vents, installing the rip flip system takes just a few minutes and will not affect the alignment of your fence rail. Once the rip flip track is installed, you can position the rip flip stops anywhere along the rail for instantly repeatable rip cuts. If you routinely cut one specific dimension, say rail and stile stock, leave a rip flip set to that dimension all the time and you'll never worry about matching existing stock again. It will always be dead on accurate. If you have a critical dimension, you'll no longer have to tap your fence into position. You can simply dial it in.
Now, adding a flip stop to the rip fence is going to make your life a lot simpler. But wait till you see what else rip flip can do.
Flip one stop over so it's facing the other direction. Then install the coupling pin between the two. Now you can limit the travel of the fence in two directions. What does that do for you? How about perfect fitting dados? Don't waste time trying to adjust your chippers and shims to get a tight fitting dado. Just assemble your dado stack to anything over half the width of the dado you want. Set one side to the critical starting point for the groove. Then sneak up to a perfect fit by adjusting the other side. Best of all, now that the width is dialed in, I can move this anywhere along the rail and the dado setting is perfect every time. Rip Flip comes in two models, one for the 36-inch capacity T-Glide SawStop fence and one for the 52-inch fence. Both sizes come with rails, mounting brackets, mounting hardware, two flip stops, and a coupling pin. Additional stops and coupling pins are available separately.
Repeatable rip cuts and perfectly fitting dados. Every SawStop needs the rip flip. Order yours today